What's up, guys? Claws, Cards, and Thrifts again today. Already made a couple videos today, or one video today, but we're back with more. I don't know if you guys have ever opened these boxes, but Walmart has them on sale. It was $10 a box. These things are so much fun to open. I've opened 3 of them. In one box I pulled a card numbered 1 out of 5, another box pulled an auto, and the other box pulled a relic. So I mean, I don't know the actual value of them, but they're fun as hell to open, so we're going to rip into them. And then we got 3 packages that I'm going to show you guys for a mail day. But first things first, let's get ripping into some soccer. UEFA Champions League Showcase 2016-17. Go ahead and open up our orange parallels first. Nothing too exciting in these. Marco Verratti, Lee Griffiths, Maxwell Cornett, Toby, and Moutinho. First pack. Like I said, it's been a fun break every single time I've done it, so I just haven't caught any of it on video. So let's hope we get something real nice. Ante Korik, Huang Min Sun, Mark Janko, Kareem Benzema, and Matt Hummels. That's the first time in 3 boxes that I got a pack with all base. I kid you not. Of course, now that I put it on the freaking camera, I'm not going to hit a damn thing because the numbering's on the front on these cards. That's alright. Second pack. Scott Sinclair, Luciano Vieto. This right here is just a normal. These are normally a couple every box. Normal Relic, PZ, and Yarmolenko. They make it very difficult to hit Ronaldo or Messi in this product, though. I have yet to see a base card, even, of either of them. I don't know if it's possible or what, but alright, Jan Sommer, Koke, Carvalho. This box is very disappointing. Maybe I was just getting lucky with my other boxes, because normally I've already had 2 number parallels right now, and it's like every pack is delightful. But this box doesn't look like it had much. Nothing in this box. Pure disappointment in box 1, folks. Let's go to box 2. Like I said, seriously, I've had nothing but luck with these. That's my first dead box. I'm actually kind of disappointed with it, so let's see if box 2 can't salvage the day. I mean, in every box I've at least had a number parallel. Alright, next orange pack. Kane, Levatovic, Alves, Silva, and Ulloa. For an auto or a low number, anything to make this worth my while. I mean, my mail days are nice, but okay, Kane. Thou Shall Not Pass, Real Madrid. Insert of Rafael Varane. That is not numbered. It's Martins. That's the first one I've gotten of those, though. Those are probably fairly rare. Thou Shall Not Pass. I'll figure that out later. Pack 2. Still looking for something interesting. Alves, PK. More base. This is insane, guys. I wish I could show you the fun of the times I opened it. It was great. I believe that's Thomas Mueller. That's a nice card. Mueller. Neymar. That's another good one. Neymar Jr. Still haven't seen any Messi, no Ronaldo. Maybe they're saving that auto for the last box. I don't know. This is crazy, guys. I wish 2 boxes with no hits. I mean, I guess I just got lucky the first 2 times, because I mean, I figured, I was like, why are these boxes only $9? Because they're loaded, but I guess they're just not all loaded. I mean, I don't think there's a hit in any of these either. And that's a way to go out. Okay. Raul Jimenez, Jesus Corona, and Josip Pivarch. Well, let's finish strong. At least get a hit. Or at least a numbered freaking parallel. Goodness gracious. Steady success of Luke De Jong. I told you guys I've been pulling fire out of this. There we go. We nabbed an auto of Nemanja Nikolic. So it took 3 boxes, but we did manage to pull an autograph. Even Nemanja Nikolic. Don't know who that is, but auto nonetheless. Alright. See if we can't have a numbered parallel. Like I said, the last box I opened had a 1 of 5, and I couldn't believe it. I missed it completely. Alright, got an insert of, I can't even pronounce his last name. It's like DZAGEOV. And last pack. Oh, we got a numbered parallel. That's going to be a gold of Dimitri. And that's numbered 71 of 99. And now time for the mail day. Sorry about the noise in the background. My daughter doesn't listen very well. Alright, mail day 1. Little PC action. Elite Extradition. We've got Ernie Clement, who's in the Indians farm system. And then Guy gave me some extra, gave me an Austin rookie, Brooks Robinson, Griffey, and a Big Hurt Frank Thomas SP. So nice of him to do that for me. Next one. Oh, what a way to hold a card in place. I think this is what I think it is, and I'm ashamed that he would hold this card in place like this. That is insane. Look at that. Folded a card over completely and taped it down. I mean, at least it's protected, but for this card, I would have hoped for a little bit more. Got Jason Tatum. 99 of 99. Nice card there. For all you Celtics fans. And my last one. I'm not sure what any of these are, to be honest with you. I'm getting so much stuff lately. Alright, what do we got? It's in a hard case, it looks like. Alright. Right. What a nice guy. I'm pretty sure I only bought the base auto off of him, and I'm pretty sure he included a tie-dye free of charge, because, little known secret, I may or may not be working on the rainbow. That one's numbered 2 of 5, so, and I have the gold incoming, which is also numbered to 5. And I'm not sure where. Oh, there it is. We also have the light blue parallel. I actually hit 2 in a break, but I had already bought one, so I have 3 of this blue parallel of Duke. So, Nice little start to a rainbow, I would say. So we're going to add the gold down here, and then hopefully the black 101 after that. But that should pretty much be it for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Like I said, yeah, that tie-dye wasn't extra because I already had bought one. So now I have 2 tie-dyes. He must have just given that one to me for free. What a nice guy. So now I have 13 and 21 of 25. Cool beans. I'm going to have all of them at this rate. One more card I wanted to show you guys real quick while I got you on the hook. I won this one the other day, and just as a tribute, it's my favorite brown of my lifetime, Joe Thomas, Upper Deck Rookie Auto. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's numbered 119 of 133. Just a beautiful, beautiful card. Very, very happy to have that in my personal collection. That's it, guys. I might hold a giveaway here soon. If we can get enough subscribers, we'll run a giveaway and give away some free cards. Thanks for watching, guys.